Hello and welcome. In this video we are going to work with forms in HTML5. So before I start, I have a little surprise for you. After this, beside the tutorial part that I make, like to really work with this, I will show you a resource, a tool, something related to IT, web design, web development, that will help you through your journey in the IT or computer science. So these tools are very rare. Most of time you learn it in the 5 years, in 10 years, but I will show you the things that I have learned and the websites, the tools and techniques, and that will help you in your journey. So this is going to be interesting. In every video I will show you one tools or one resources. So at the end of this video also I will show. If you think these things are basic, just go to the end of the video and learn about the tools or the resources. So let's start learning the form. The form is a little bit too much in HTML5. We might make two video or two parts about the form, and in this video we will start the first part of it. So it will be 013 working with forms in HTML. As you can see, the file structure should not be too much long. I just write forms, the HTML, and inside this one I will work about the form. First I will write our HTML5 boilerplate. L should be small like this. This is the basic template part. Okay, I will write working with basic forms. What is forms? Form is just the basic input. You might have filled any form, like giving your personal information or something like that. That is a form that someone gave you, and you fill them and you submit them. That is a form. How they create the form? It is just simply you take information or take input from user. That is form. The way you work with form is just open the form tag. It needs an action. If you are working with HTML, that is optional. You don't need to write that. It is working just fine. This is like table starting and ending. Inside the form you have input. Let's say you ask someone to enter your name. If you write your name like this, now be in front of your name there should be a field that user can write their name. When you wanna have a field, you must use the input tag. Just write input. Input need a type. This is required. It must have a type, attribute, and for now the type, the value is equal to text. We want the user to write a text. We have different types which we learn, like a user can enter a date, a color, like a number. On those types are different, which we learn today. So I will save the file and open it in the browser. 13, as you can see, here is your name, and I can write here. I can just write something like John Doe here, something like that. As you can see, I can write it. Now you can create another input, and this time I will write the type as submit. If I save it and refresh the page, as you can see, they give us a button here. The button can submit our form. If the type of the input is submit, it will give you a button. You can change the value of this. If you give them an attribute of value, let's say you say send data, you save it, come here, refresh the page. As you can see, the value has changed to send data. For now it does not have any styling. This is very simple. I have just zoomed a little. If your browser is not showing, as you can see, it is 150% zoom here. That's why it's showing big. So as you can see, your name, send data. This is basic of the form. The form is very simple, and you just write input and give them a type. When you give a type, it will automatically change the style of that. So let's say we need another one. Let's say your number. You write input and then you give the type of number. The type is number. The types, they are very essential. You should write them in HTML5. These are very important. If you refresh the page, okay, as you can see, your name, your number. What is the difference between them? Yeah, here is a very nice little something arrows. It will go up, it will go down, and as you can see, for the text we don't have, for the number we have it. This is what makes it unique. And as you know, I cannot write anything here. If I type, it is not working. If I write a number, it is working. But for the text, you can write anything here. That is another difference. Inside the number, I cannot write any letter, but I can write E. E is just like a number in mathematics. That's why you use sometimes E or some scientific notation when you write E or something like that. That's why you can write number with E and the number with E, something like that. This is I think in mathematics you need E as a scientific notation or something like that. That's why you can write E inside the input with the type of number. There are some other types too, how you wanna display them in another line. For now we just write here a BR, but it is not the most it is not the correct way. For now it is fine, but we will make it a bit nicer. Another way is you can put them in a paragraph. If you write a P tag here, inside P you can write your input. Let's learn about other input. You have learned about the name, the text type, the number. We have something called color. If you write, let's say I just write a color here and I give it an input and type is color. Just the type is changed. This is not important. This is just a label here, which we will learn about labels also. If I refresh, as you can see, this is the color and the input is changed because of the color here, the type. So if I click on this, we have a color picker. I can pick a color and then I say okay, the color is selected like that. This is the color picker. Let's have another one for the P, and this time we have date, input type is date. I will save it, refresh the page. This is date. If you click on this, it will give you a date picker, something like this. This is very nice, date picker. This is new in HTML5 too, so you can use a date picker. It is easy, you can easily use this one. The other advantage of using type is you can write for example, here is a text, here is a number. You can write both for the same both of them as a text, so that user type anything. One of other advantages, when you are using mobile, if you press on this one, it will give you the keyboard. But if you press on this one, it will give you the number keyboard, which only numbers are there. The same thing for any other type, which is very helpful for the user and the user experience, which is important. It will make the user easily write the number, something like that. So this is very important when you write the type. For now, this is very simple, and this much is necessary to learn about the input. And the next one is about here. So this is very basic. I think it is enough for this video. In the next video we will discuss more about form and we will learn more elements. Yeah, let's learn. Let's see what resource I will show you today. You know, okay, I will open incognito of window. If you don't know about incognito, this is just a private mode. It will not save your history. The things that I will show you is, you know about Udemy. Udemy is a website which give tutorial online course. It is not free. Most of them are paid and some of them are free. You can find the free one. How you find the free one? This is how I show you today. If you search Udemy, Udemy 100%. Yeah, this one. If you go to the Medium is a website. People write article. They let you make a blog like this, blog post. If you go to 100 free Udemy coupons /there, they normally they just give you the courses which have 100% coupon. Means you can take the course for free. As you can see, all of these courses are free. These are related to programming, to graphic design, to marketing, everything, to cryptocurrency, let's say, to hacking and all other things. Let's see one of the course. This one, some of them just get expired very soon. You should check this blog article every day, so to see which course is new you can take. Let's say this one, it come in 12 March, but today is 14 of March 2018. If I go to this one, let's see if the coupon is still working. You come here, take the course, click here, okay, take the course. It will give you the coupon through the URL. As you can see, the course is free. Here is the course and it is free. Now here is one way to make money online. You can just take this course, enroll in this course, register here. It is free. If you want to buy the course, of course you should pay $10 or $20. This is not too much, but if you want to take the course for free, you can come here and take those courses for free. Some of them are free, and the reason some people cannot pay because they live in the country which they cannot pay. That's why you can just come and use these resources to take the course, watch them, and learn and improve your skill. That is for this resource. And as I said, in every video I will show you some cool stuff. I know this is something very interesting that you should know, and I hope it has been informative for you. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, feel free to subscribe, because my goal is to inspire people, to help you improve your knowledge and become and stay inspired and learn new thing about programming all the time. And that's it. Thank you for watching.